Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. In my previous video, yesterday's video, as relates to Tushar Gandhi versus Rakesh Asthana, we discussed that even though the FIR was registered after 5 months, no palpable progress was achieved, no suspects were interrogated, and no logical conclusion was taken even after 11 months. Therefore, Honorable Supreme Court of India directed the police to file an affidavit detailing the steps taken by them during the course of investigation. So that means heavy delay in FIR, in investigation. Now, we are discussing the quite contra or opposite case. Here, the Supreme Court held that a reasonable time should be given to the police for investigation. So, according to 468, they have also got limitations, but you have to give the reasonable time. You can read the case as Inspector of Police versus Maridas and another in Criminal Appeal number 67 by 2023, dated 9/1/2023. This case. In this case, the bench consisting of Honorable Justice M.R. Shah and C.T. Ravinkumar, they set aside the quashment orders given by Madras High Court, of course, Madurai bench, Justice G.R. Swaminathan. First of all, let us know the details of the case. You all know the tragic incident of the death of Shri Bipin Rawat, Chief of Defence Staff, near Kunur, while he was going to Ooty. So this is Wellington or someplace. The incident happened. The helicopter crashed and he died. So our Maridas, we can call it Maridas, is a political commentator and also YouTuber. So just like me, YouTuber, I am maintaining this Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sankara. Like that, I am telling legal matters. He is telling about the political matters. Political commentator and YouTuber. So the incident of death of Shri Bipin Rawat took place on 8/12/2021. On 8/12, he died in the chopper crash near Kunur. On the next day, that is on 9/12/2021. This man, Maridas, he commented whether Tamil Nadu is a turning into another Kashmir under DMK rule. So in Kashmir it happens. Whether same thing is happening in Tamil Nadu. So Coimbatore incident, you all know, bombs case. So basing on that, he has commented that whether Tamil Nadu under DMK rule is turning into another Kashmir. Definitely it will cause and it will ignite the trouble. Same thing happened, and as a result of which Madurai police, they registered an FIR against his so-called Maridas for making comments on the death of Chief of the Defence Staff Bipin Rawat. The case was registered against him. The case was registered on 9/12/2021. Immediately on the next day, that is on 10/12/2021, the supporters of Maridas, they filed a petition under section 482 CRPC. You may be knowing. 482 means to do complete justice, the court can quash the proceedings, the courts can give the stay orders like that. Anyway, they have filed the 482 petition and it was taken on file on 14/12. That means after 5 days or so, Justice G.R. Swaminathan of the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court, he stated that the tweet of Maridas was never intended to subvert the existing government. They do not want to, they do not encourage the people to fight against the government, to wage a war against the legally or democratically elected government. It was meant to reinforce the state apparatus. That means to be more careful and cautious. So this is objected to by the state. The state, they say that the Honorable Justice, he has conducted a mini trial. He has come to a conclusion abruptly, immediately. Therefore, he quashed the FIR. It's not correct. Ultimately, they have appealed in the Supreme Court. Now the ball has come to the Supreme Court before the two judges bench Honorable Justice M.R. Shah and C.T. Ravikumar. So they have stated that, no doubt, normally the High Court will not interfere in the investigation of cases except when they feel that it is totally abuse of the process of law, or on the face of record, on the face of FIR, if there is no material evidence, then they can quash the FIR. But when there is enough material, they have to wait for the outcome of the investigation. The investigation, that too, is a case where a person died, that too CDS cadre, Chief of Defence Staff, and this man has made a comment. So it should be looked into. It should be looked into in all wide angles. Then only they will come to a conclusion of the investigation. But without giving a time, and immediately on 14th of the same month, after 5 days, so quashing is done, which is not correct. The High Court failed to consider. And they have conducted a mini trial and came to hasty or abrupt conclusion. So, of course, here another point is also there. After becoming a controversial issue, Mr. Maridas, he himself removed the tweet and said, I do not want to actually curry the displeasure of the government of Tamil Nadu. So saying so, he has removed the tweet, whatever it is. So therefore, the High Court would have waited for some time whether it is correct or not, but they have abruptly given the quashment orders, which is not correct, and therefore they have set aside the quashment orders. Very good decision, bold decision by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So please read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.